dignitaries, faculty members, delegates, and students. A warm welcome to the valedictory for 6 days AICT-sponsored STTP on clinical mapping of epidemiology and biostatistics in biomedical and health research, organized by Department of Pharmacy Practice, RIPER Autonomous, and AICT-sponsored STTP on green chemistry and advanced analytical techniques of pharmaceuticals and product development aspects as per the regulatory requirements, organized by Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis and Quality Assurance. We all know teacher or academician is a lifelong learner, and teaching fraternity has to keep abreast with the ever-changing technology, and with this mindset of the students thereby. With this thought, these STTPs were conducted, and hope we have achieved and learned new knowledge throughout this journey. Now I'd like to invite our principal sir, Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, onto the dais. Now I'd like to invite Dr. K. Ramakrishna Reddy Garu, Director, Academics and Planning, Dr. P. Ramalingam Garu, Director, Research and Developmental Cell, Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir, Head Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis and Quality Assurance, Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar sir, Head Department of Pharmacy Practice, to honor the dais.
Now I request Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. And so as this session is a valedictory session for both the STTP, sponsored by AICT. So first of all, I should congratulate and appreciate the coordinators, Dr. K. Vinod Kumar and Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar. And really in the beginning, we felt overall a tough task. Because when the AICT was sanctioned this STTP, and for offline and online option they gave, and already we had a kind of better experience in conducting online STTP. We had, because we already conducted institute sponsored FDPP on online based. So there are some issues and technical issue, or the people always, it's quite common even when we have been as faculty for GPAT online also, the students are not that much satisfactory when compared to offline. Even some of the faculty member in and around also, they expressed better to go for offline instead of online. So based on the opinion, the coordinator opted offline. And actually this fund was sanctioned the last year itself. They tried the level best to keep on postponing to attract the people. Even they planned in the month of almost like January. January, they no response. Then they postpone. And finally, it has ended up this February. Because there is nothing but we cannot further postpone this STTP. Almost 6 months is about to get over. And still, however, with a lot of effort, the team of both STTP coordinators, and they made this at this COVID also, and they tried the level best to circulate the brochure anywhere. And they also, I think hopefully they got even speaker from NIPER. Initially the NIPER speaker, they given consent to come to RIPER, but finally later on they converted into online. So somehow we should thank those speakers who are not able to come here and they are given their lecture online. And so somehow overall it was smooth. And only thing is that we little disappointed from the institute side thing, but the participants who are registered, people are not responded because of COVID or some other reason. There are some people, almost 50% of the participants who registered, but finally at the even first day, second day they came, and after that because of COVID or something, they are thing. Only that was, there is nothing for, that we have inevitable, that become inevitable. The registered participant, so maybe it may be because of COVID or whatever may be the case. But other than that, and in-house faculty member have got benefited, and many of our scholars have got benefited, and even the faculty from in and around Anandapur district and have benefited. So at this context, and the only thing is that it was fine at this context, in these situations, and we cannot do more than this. This is the maximum thing we can do it at this situation. And even the topic also, it was a good thing because the first day itself, and the decision taken by, because usually what happened, most of the HTTP, it goes on the prefixed agenda. I mean, the agenda is already fixed, this topic. But our coordinator were some extent they are flexible. Even there are some topics have been changed during the session based on the requirement from the audience. So that was a good decision taken by this coordinator. And so with this, and I thank all the volunteers. So I can see the people of MFARM, FARMD, and even including the faculty member who are involved in getting feedback, and other all coordinator. So really it's wonderful this 1 week. Somehow it's passed. And with this brief note, I congratulate, I appreciate the coordinator for taking their effort. But once I mentioned that, whatever things we have made it, that is the maximum thing we can do it at these situations. And we'll see in future, and once this COVID is completely eradicated, and definitely we'll do it in still in better way. And thank you very much.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I think, as our R&D Director, Dr. Ramalingam, has rightly pointed out, we are not so satisfied the way the STTP has been organized, these two STTPs. Actually, the IICT has insisted to go for online STTP, arranging of STTP program. But we have inquired with those who have arranged online STTP programs, and it was told that how far it was reached to the delegates, the registered delegates, is big question mark, sir. Maybe I think you may be having number of delegates, but the delegates may be registering and they may not be concentrating on the topic which is going to be discussed by the experts. So that's why, even though we have received repeated mails from the IICT, we responded to the IICT stating that we'll go for offline mode only. So finally, we thought of arranging this offline mode, 2 STTP programs during this period, keeping in mind the JNTU Anantapur schedules, the academic schedules, as well as the examination schedules. And we thought of this is the best time to organize. And both the coordinators have tried their level best to invite the experts from reputed institutes as well as NIPERs. But the thing is, some of them have confirmed and some of them have restrained to come over to Anantapur just because of their age, and the factor another is COVID. If the COVID would have not been there, definitely the experts from BHU, the other NIPERs, Guwahati, they would have come here. Even the experts who have been asked to come from NIPER Hyderabad by own vehicle, last minute they also dropped and they also preferred to go for online. So because of COVID, because most of the experts are maybe 50 plus, so, and some of the experts also who have given their consent, they have dropped at the last minute, and we have to think of the alternate arrangement. So that's the issue. But I, myself, as well as our team, particularly our director, have insisted to go for hands-on training in a much focused way for those who are attending these HTTP programs. So whatever the facilities we had, take examples of softwares or the specialized instruments like DSC or the other instruments. We asked them, we informed them, or we instructed them to have this session in a more fruitful way so that the delegates, particularly from those who are attending this HTTP program from outside colleges, will get benefited, and which will in turn help the student community when they go back to their colleges. So one more HTTP program is there, particularly basing on natural products that pharmacognosy related. And we will be planning maybe in the month of April or something like that, so that when the examinations for the first semester have been completed by JNTU Anantapur, such that they can come here and they can attend during that particular period. That's what we are planning right now. But anyhow, we'll see depending upon the availability of the experts as well as the other issues related to this HTTP program. Instead of talking more on these particular issues, because there are, I think, some 10 to 15 outside delegates are there at present sitting before me. I request your comments, your feedback, the fair feedback. You do not worry. This is HTTP program which has been organized for the benefit of the faculty as well as the scholars. I don't know how much you got benefited out of attending these two programs. Maybe 5 days. 5 days is not a small time. 5 days spending at a particular place nowadays is a big problem. Leaving family aside and staying outside, following all the precautions of COVID, all these issues are there. Maybe adjusting for your food habits, maybe all issues. So I request you people to come onto the dais and express your opinion or fair opinion. We are here to accept. Take your opinions in a positive way, and we'll try to rectify so that it will be helpful for us to improve such type of programs. Because we are sure every year we are organizing minimum of 2 to 3 HTTP programs and 2 to 3 faculty development programs. Because of COVID, this time faculty development programs have not been awarded by AICTE. The reason is staying for 2 weeks with a gathering of 40 members may trigger these COVID cases. So keeping in mind, they have not sanctioned. So maybe next year it may think again they may sanction. So anyhow, for our sake, for the improvement of such schemes, in organizing such schemes, I request to come over here and express your opinions, maybe 1 or 2 opinions, each candidate. That's what I expect, because all of you are working in different colleges. Your views and will be much more helpful for us to improve the quality of such programs. So thank you. I expect maybe you may come on your voluntary basis and express your opinions. That's what I expect from you. Thank you.
Thank you, Principal Sir and Ramlingam Sir. I request the dignitaries on the dais to give a certificate to speakers for the STTPs. Now I request Dr. N. Vinod Kumar Sir to onto the dais for a demonstration on column chromatography, isolation of phytochemical constituents in natural extract, to receive a certificate. Dr. E. Bhargav, sir, for hands-on training on QPD for optimization of excipients in pharmaceutical products.
Now I request the delegates to give their feedback. Now I request the delegates to give their feedback.
Dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Padmanabh Reddy sir and yes, I'm K. Venkatramana, working as teaching faculty in SK College of Pharmacy Sciences. Then first of all, I must thank our beloved Guru, Dr. Vinod sir, and Mr. Shakir, Mr. Kranti for well organization of this AICT sponsored 6 days short-term training program. All the sessions are highly beneficial, and these sessions are highly useful for both for academics and research works. Then as an alumni of Riper, I'm always feel comfortable and enthusiastic to involve in any session. It may be seminar, it may be workshop, because Riper is one of the greatest institutions which have well equipped infrastructure, well equipped labs, and versatile teaching and non-teaching staff. They are the rare pieces which are not available in many of the pharmaceutical institutions. I'm honestly speaking from the bottom of my heart, because I will not come as a faculty. I always come as a student to learn, which is unknown for me. Sir, I always visit Raipur, I always visit our college to learn something. Basically, as an alumni of pharmaceutical analysis, I have learned many things from my guru, my best guru, Dr. Ramalingam sir and Vinod sir. I always have some anxiety to speak. Ramalingam sir also, Dr. Our principal sir, but I will try to manage it. But I am very happy, sir, because these sessions are highly beneficial. These sessions are what is highly useful for an academician, especially the lecture given by Ramalingam sir, which is Bloom's taxonomy. Sir, you have categorized the basis of teaching, which is student-centric and what is faculty-centric. Nowadays, the teaching is highly student-centric. We have to satisfy the expectations of students. Then only we can survive, we can lead our life in teaching field. So, I have learned A to Z only because of my gurus. So, then, the other sessions given by Professor Jyoti Madam, Madam has given well satisfied session on green solvents and green chemistry. And also, I want to mention the bioanalytical session by Dr. Ishaq sir. Sir has given an effective and efficient lecture on bioanalytical methods. Then, so I feel that these all sessions are highly useful, both for teaching profession and also especially students. You, the students, are so lucky. You, the students, must feel proud to be the students of Raipur. You always feel proud after leaving this college, because you will learn each and every part of academics by active participation in laboratories, by active participation in examinations, which is not available in many of the institutions. Most of the institutions will not have HPLC, will not have GC, will not have even column, which costs simply 700 to 1000 rupees. But Riper is providing each and every part of what is laboratory equipment. So, Riper is one of the evergreen institution all over the India. I always feel proud. This is the evergreen institution which will rank the best in our what is India. And also, as an what is delegate, I feel satisfied with the hands-on training program given by Mr. Shakir. So I thank Mr. Shakir for giving me the what is hands-on training on HPLC, because without knowing HPLC, any analytical student cannot survive in any what is pharmaceutical industry or in any what is organization. So, sir, all the sessions are very highly beneficial, sir. I'm saying this word from the bottom of my heart. I'm frankly speaking, and I'm honestly speaking this word. Then I can say only one word. Tinte garle tinali, pharmacy chadrite Riperlone chadavali. Yes, yes. This is the straight word what I felt after leaving 8 years from this institution. I have left this institution in 2013. It has become almost 8 years after leaving this institution. But I still feel the same, what is pleasing feel after visiting this campus. నేను చదువుకొని 8 years అయినప్పటికీ కూడా నేను ఎన్నిసార్లు వచ్చినా సరే ఏదో తెలియని ఒక అంటే ఐ కెన్ ఓన్ ఇట్, అంటే ఇది మన కాలేజ్, ఈ కాలేజ్లో అన్నీ ఉంటాయి, నేను ఫ్యాకల్టీ అయినా కానీ పర్లేదు, నేను వచ్చి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు ఏదో ఒకటి, ఏదో ఒక చూడొచ్చు, ఏదో ఒకటి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. I can talk to Vinod sir, I can talk to Ramlingam sir, I can talk to other staff of analysis, I can talk to Naresh sir, I can talk to Pradeep sir. I can learn any part from any faculty. So that all the staff are highly knowledgeable and highly enthusiastic to share the knowledge for a person like me. So I once again thank all the what is staff, teaching staff and non-teaching staff and students who have actively organized this institution. Yes. Thank you, Varandal, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Sir, for your feedback. Now I request another delegate to give their feedback.
Good afternoon, one and all. This is Haripriya from Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada. I can happily say that the motto which I came from all the way from Vijayawada to Anantapur is quite satisfactorily accomplished by this STTP. Throughout all these days, all the sessions are quite good. A note of all hands-on expertise on ADME tools, Excel learning, Zotero, and FERS database are quite productive. And among them, FERS database is quite new and a different concept which I have learned here. For this, I would happily thank Principal Sir and all the organizers of this STTP for conducting such a quality and productive program for us. And moreover, I will happily thank Hospitality Committee of this college for showing their kind generosity towards us. Very much pleased by the way they received, they interacted, the way they looked after us. We'll be happy to attend many more sessions further, and will definitely suggest many of my colleagues and moreover freshers like me to attend STTPs in Raipur, definitely. And I'm requesting all the quality staff present out here to guide us in future too, and we want to be in touch with you, sir. Thank you for this.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Now I request all the delegates, dignitaries on the, so any other faculty members can share your experience with our STTP program from outside college.
I am very thankful to Padmanabhan sir. I will not forget Padmanabhan sir till my lifetime, because I didn't know, sir didn't see me, but sir has given me an opportunity. And thanks for Dr. Vinod Kumar sir for inviting me for the 6 days program in Raipur. So, I got so much knowledge for this 6 days training program, and this is very useful for me in my career. So thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you very much.
I request any other delegate to come and give a feedback.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Pradeep, previous faculty of Vidyaniketan. I was very pleasure to be part of this conference. Why? Because I came here to learn about research and biostatistics. Even we attended so many conferences, we cannot get knowledge. So this is useful for research and biostatistics, something to learn. So with that, I am happy with this conference and satisfactory. So with that, I will thank to Pradeep sir for suggesting to attend this conference, and as well as principal sir, and as well as I will thank to Somsekhar sir for their generous accommodation funds and transportation, and thank you.
Now I request the respected dignitaries on the dais to distribute the certificates to all the delegate participants. Now I request. Okay. Now I request Mr. G. Kranti Kumar to come and collect the certificate. Mr. K. Lakshman Nayak to come and collect his certificate. Mr. K. Venkatamna sir. Mr. K. Kishore sir. Mr. G. Tirumala Rupan sir. Ms. G.S. Mrinalini madam. Mr. E. Bhargav sir. Mr. P. Chiranjeevi sir. Mrs. B. Nagashubha madam. Mr. C. Naresh Babu sir. Dr. V. Salim Basha sir. S. Haripriya madam. S. Haripriya. G. Neelima. Next, Pradeep sir. B. Pradeep sir. H. Sudhir sir.
Usha Devi madam. Sunil Kumar sir. Satish Kumar sir. B. Saiti madam. Abdul sir. C. Harinath sir.
Now I request the respected dignitaries to give token of memento to our organizing secretary, Shakir sir. Co-coordinator, P. Ramalingam sir. Now I request organizing secretary Dr. Mohanraj Ratnavelu sir and co-coordinator Mr. G. Narayan sir to receive the memento. Now, without our program coordinators, we are not able to achieve this success. So I request the dignitaries to felicitate the program coordinators. So I request Dr. Vinod sir to come on to the dais. Dr. Vinod sir, Program Coordinator of Green Chemistry and Advanced Analytical Techniques of Pharmaceuticals and Product Development, Aspects. Now I request the dignitaries to felicitate Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar sir, Program Coordinator of Clinical Mapping of Epidemiology and Biostatistics in Biomedical and Health Research. Now I request Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar sir for the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am very much grateful and would like to thank AICTE for sponsoring a 6 days short-term training program on clinical mapping of epidemiology and biostatistics in biomedical and health research. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our beloved principal and chief patron of this program, Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, for his encouragement, inspiration and continuous support which is inevitable in organizing this AICTE sponsored STTP. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our correspondent and patron of this program, Dr. J. Ravindra Reddy Garu. I would like to extend my thanks to our dynamic and energetic person, Dr. K. Ramakrishna Reddy Garu, who is the pillar of academics and administration, for his continuous motivation, inspiration and timely support in making the program success. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. P. Ramalingam Garu, Director R&D, who is the backbone of Research and Development Division, RIPER, for giving a suggestion starting from writing of proposals to the AICTE. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all delegates from various colleges for their participation. Without their support, this event has not been possible. I would like to extend my thanks to all resource persons, Dr. Murugan sir, Dr. Rohini madam, Dr. Kannan sir, Dr. Raghu Prakash Reddy sir, Dr. Maheshwari madam, Dr. Shubhish sir, Dr. P. Ramalingam sir, Dr. Narayana, Dr. Mohan Ras, Mr. Naresh and Dhanunjay. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the co-coordinator of the program, Dr. G. Narayana, and organizing secretary, Dr. Mohan Ras. I extend my sincere thanks to all HODs of the RIPER, that is Dr. Abdul Ahad sir, head of the department, Industrial Pharmacy, Dr. Somsekhar Reddy, head of the department, Pharmacology, Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir, head of the department, Pharmaceutical Analysis, Dr. C. Pavan Kumar, head department of Pharmaceutics, Dr. Nawaz, head department of Quality Assurance, Dr. C. Haranath, program in charge of B Pharmacy, Mr. Shakir, program in charge of D Pharmacy, for their constant support in each and every activity to uplift this AICTE sponsored 6 days STTP. I thank all my department faculty, Dr. Narayana, Dr. Mohan Ras, Dr. Sahiti, Dr. Neelima, Dr. Satish, Dr. Virendra, Dr. Ishrar, Dr. Usha Devi for their tremendous support. I thank all my colleagues and organizing committee members of this program, Dr. M.V. Jyoti Madam, Dr. Abdul Sir, Dr. C. Aranath, Dr. Pavan Kumar, Dr. Nawaz, Mr. Sudhi, Dr. Sahiti, Mr. Hariyar Sudan, Mr. Sunil, Mr. Lakshman Naik, Mr. Kranti, Mr. P. Chiranjeevi, Mrs. Triveni, Dr. Neelima, Ms. Shushma Ratna, Mrs. Nagasubha, Dr. Vinod Nilsson, Dr. Satish, Ms. Likita Sri, Mrs. Lakshmi Prasanna, Mr. Bhargav, Mrs. Usha Devi, Ms. Anjali. I would like to express my thanks to all student volunteers, especially 5th year Form D, for their support and timely response in making all arrangements to make the program grand success. Last but not least, I would like to thank my family members and Almighty for blessing upon me. Thank you one and all.
Now I request Dr. Vinod sir for the oath of thanks.
Okay, very good afternoon to one and all. So already Pradeep sir given vote of thanks. So again it will be repeated, not good. So that's why I want to say something about this conference. I mean, in couple of days or in next month, we are planning to bring one HPLC waters, and we are establishing cell culture lab as well as PCR and all. So in next STTP, we are planning to train on those new, equipments as well as the facilities. So we'll come up with a clear agenda in next month. So you can encourage your co-faculties to attend this one, and you can also most welcome to attend, but to try to give the faculties who are interested to come and really want to learn for 6 days. That will be good for us also to conduct in a enthusiastic manner or encouraging manner. So if the faculty are coming one day and 2 day and they are leaving and again they are coming, means that will not be good for us also. But I can understand your situation. As a faculty, your principal or management may not be that much allowing us you to come, but you can request so that you can learn more knowledge in this aspect. And I would like to thank all the delegates who came all the way in this COVID situation. And I would like to thank the volunteers, especially the student volunteers who helped in this organizing this SCTP, especially the IT team, Pawan sir and Nawad sir, Jagadish, Pradeep, Sai Praneeth, and Rishi, Gopi, and Rahul, and Anila. They missed today, of course. And I thank the third form D, I don't know other names, Vinay only I know, but he used to call daily for something or something. But really they helped very lot under presence of Sunil sir. And I would like to thank Sudhir sir and Lakshman Nayak especially for arranging catering. And finally, I would like to thank my analysis students who came for all the sessions and who attended. Thank you very much and thank you. Thank you all.
So as the program coordinator said that without students' help, we can't able to conduct this huge conferences. At the same time, we have 2 parallel conferences. So without their help, we can't able to achieve this. So on this note, I request the 2 of the student volunteers to come and collect the certificates. Any 2 volunteers, please come on to the dais and collect the certificates. With this, we come to the end of 6 days AICT sponsored short-term training program. So after the national anthem, all the delegates are requested to join for the lunch. Now I request all the delegates, respected dignitaries and students to stand for the national anthem.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे